First, right-click the Start button and select Task Manager. Watch your screen carefully. If the screen stops flickering while Task Manager is open, the problem is likely caused by Windows, drivers, or software. If the screen continues flickering, it may be a hardware issue. Now let's try the fixes. Press these keys together. Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B. Your screen may blink for a second and you'll hear a beep. This refreshes the graphics driver and often fixes temporary display problems. First, right-click the Start button and select Settings. Next, go to System, Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. After your laptop restarts, select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, Restart. When the Startup Settings menu appears, press 4 on your keyboard to enter Safe Mode. Once you're in Safe Mode, check if the screen is still flickering. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand Monitors. Right-click your monitor and select Uninstall Device. Next, expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics driver and choose Uninstall Device. Restart your laptop. Windows will automatically reinstall the display drivers.